$260.
For $260 at Burlington, exact same coat. This coat for my husband, the twins, and for the baby.
Congratulations.
Burlington, brag about it.
Oh, I see them now. Oh, they're gorgeous. How much for the set?
The jewels are for sale, ma'am.
Oh, the jewels aren't for sale, ma'am. Seriously, name your price.
They're not for sale.
I'm not trying to haggle with you. Just shoot me a number. Walk on. They're mine. Do you get from?
I now think I can buy the crown jewels because I'm feeling richer effect. It happens when you get an Android smartphone from Straight Talk. With an unlimited everything plan for just $45 a month, you'll feel richer too. Only at Walmart.
I'm no longer our only enemy. I've entered our war.
Look at crazy old Layla beating up poor Fion. Her Fion was laying on top of her. I guess she don't like that.